trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Here we need to know trigonometric ratios with some specific angles, like sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, cos 0 is equal to 1. So we need to know these angles with trigonometric ratios. So these are important, and also it is useful for the further education. It is useful in the exercise 3, 4 and so on. So we need to know this table with the values, trigonometric ratio with the specific angles and values also. So how to write this easily? So this is a table, because if we know the sine, we can easily write cosecant. If we know the cos, we can easily write secant, because 1 by cos is equal to secant, 1 by sin is equal to cosecant, 1 by tan is equal to cot. So first of all, we need to know the values of the trigonometric ratios of values some angles with respect to the sine, cos and tan. Here let's take that is 0, theta 0 angle, 0 that is 30, 45 that is 60 and 90. So we know this, these are the angles and they have the values with respect to trigonometric ratios. So in order to write easily, just erase this and write in a small way so that we can understand. Here this is 0, this is 30, this is 45, 60 and here 90. We have to write in such a way: root 0 by 4, root 1 by 4, root 2 by 4, root 3 by 4, under root of 4 by 4. We get value here. 0 by 4 is equal to 0. So 0 by 4 is 0. Under root of 0 is 0. Under root of 1 by 4. Here root 1 is 1. We can write it as root 1 is 1 and root 4 is equal to 2. So 1 by 2. And here root 2, that is root 2 by under root of 4 is 2. So 2. So here root 3 by 2. Here root 3 by under root of 4 is nothing but 2. So root 3 by 2. So 1 by 1, 4 by 4 is equal to 1. That is 4 by 4, 1. So root 1 is equal to 1. We got sine values. Just reverse the values in cos. Write 1 here, 1. Root 3 here, that is root 3 by 2. Here same as, because here root 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by root 2. Okay, how I will explain. Root 3 by 2 here came, and this one here, and 0 here. We know that tan is equal to sine by cos. 0 by 1 is 0 and 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. So we can imagine that is 1 by 2 under root of root 3 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, that is 1 by root 3. So we got that 30, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Similarly, sine by cos, that is, actually write this one as a, that is root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2 for our easy understanding. Because we have to write 1 here, root 3 here, this one same position, and 1 by 2 here, 0 that side. So here we can easily imagine that is root 2 by 2 and by root 2 by 2. So this one gets cancelled. We get here 1, that is tan 45 1, and tan 60 is equal to, here this 2 gets cancelled, that is root 3 value, that is tan 60 is equal to root 3, and here sine by 0, 1 by 0 is infinity, that is not defined. Here we got sine, cos and tan. Sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2. With respect to, that is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 angles, we got trigonometric values. Let's write cosecant, secant and cot. With this angle we can write cosecant, secant, cot easily, because 1 by sine is equal to 1 by 0. It's nothing but undefined, which is a cosecant 0. Here cosecant A is a 1 by sine. 1 by 0 is equal to undefined, and 1 by 2 is 2, and cosecant here 1 by root 2 by 2 is nothing but 1 by root 2. No. Here, let's leave this for a while. That is 1 by root 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 root 3. And here 1 by 1 is 1. Cosecant, that is cosecant 90 is equal to 1. Here, actually we have to get that is root 2 value. Now I will explain how we can write that is root 2 by 2 as a 1 by root 2. Here, that is root 2 by 2 can be written as here 2. Root 2 whole square is equal to 2 because square root and square gets cancelled, we get 2. Similarly, we can write here that is root 2 by root 2 into root 2 because root 2 whole square is nothing but root 2. That's why we have written is we can write that is 2 as a root 2 into root 2. Here root 2 and root gets cancelled, that is 1 by root 2. So that is under root of 2 by 2 is nothing but we can write it as 1 by root 2. So here I will erase this one, that is root 2 by 2. I will write 1 by root 2. That is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So tan here, because it becomes tan 1 and cosecant is equal, the sine 1 by root 2, cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. That is 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 by root 2 is equal to root 2. So here we get cosecant is equal to 2 root 2. So similarly we can write cos also and tan cot also. This is cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. 1 by root 2 is equal to 2. Here I will write cosecant is over secant, that is secant A. So secant is nothing but cos 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1 and 1 by root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3, and here we know that is root 2 and here that is 2 and this is 1 by cos 1 by 0 is undefined, and here and tan and cot, and here cot is nothing but a 1 by tan. So tan 1 by 0 is equal to undefined and 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 is equal to here root 3 and 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by root 3, 1 by that can be written as 1 by root 3 directly because 1 by root 3. That is here we can get that undefined is 1 by undefined is, let's think, that is 1 by 0 is undefined, that is by 1. So here 0 becomes, then 1 into 0 by 1 it can be written. So the answer is here 0. 1 by undefined is nothing but 1 by infinity is 0. So we got trigonometric table.